Igbo are so much gifted by the Lord of heavens. Anywhere you find yourself as an Igbo man, don't walk like antelope, walk like hippopotamus. Are you sure you're hearing me? Am I sure you're hearing me? Don't walk like dog or bogo. Am I sure you're hearing me? Walk like a hippopotamus. Walk like the lion himself. Walk like swing like shark. Am I sure you are hearing me? Once you hear I am an Igbo man, change your step like a hippopotamus. You are wonderfully created and successfully made by heavens of heavens. So I want to put this to you, the Igbo people, anywhere you are a development. You are a prosperity. When they asked one of the leaders in Nigeria in 60s, why you don't want Igbo peoples to go? He said, because if you allow them to go, they will be better than other countries, Hausa and Yorubas. They will do better than them. That is why they refuse Igbo people to go, not because they love Igbos. And the whole world know it. They said, anywhere you enter, any country you enter, and there is no Igbo man there, they tell the people of leave that country, nothing good is there. Clap your hands for Igbo people.